Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a cool way to do vertical pulling with bands. And what you're going to do is, if you have a band, first you need a band, but if you have elastic bands and you can anchor them on something very safe and secure and sturdy down low, you're going to take the band, you're going to pull some tension in it, you're going to get on all fours with your knees elevated, and you're going to pull and do rows, but they're vertical rows. But it's not just vertical rows, this is a core thrasher. And the cool thing is while this arm is pulling, the other arm is pushing, and the core is being lit up like a Christmas tree. And obviously, you want the band to be strong enough to give you good resistance and where it actually wants to pull you forward. And then when you're done with one arm, obviously you just switch sides and let the other arm play. And again, this is just a great way to use bands to do vertical pulling. And because you can get yourself with a good distance away from the anchor, you can get some appreciable resistance and tension from the band. All right, that is it. Very simple drill, but one I think that you'll be amused by. Give that a shot if you have bands. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.